Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have been doing good and learning this language in a fun way. So today I am going to tell you that if you want to improve your communication skills, so how you should start your English journey. I will tell you each and everything from scratch that how I did and how you can do it. Right? So many of we get that we get confused whenever we start anything. We have lots of confusion in our mind that what should we do exactly. Sometimes we feel that we should start with speaking, we should start with grammar, or what we have to do exactly. So first thing I will tell you that what you have to do if you are going to start your this English learning journey from scratch. So follow this step and you will feel that you are going to change. You will see lots of change in your life. And you have to build some bond with this language. Right? Yes, you heard me right. If you want to learn this language, so you have to build some bond. Means you have to feel that language, that how you feel your mother tongue, how the emotion you share with others. Same goes with our this thing also. If you want to improve your communication skill, so you have to make a bonding with this language, right? How you can do that, I will tell you everything. Before that, I want to give you one example that how you will relate with that. You know, but have you ever seen a child when he starts speaking? So he do not speak full sentence. He just speak if he wants something from his mother. So he asks his mother that mother food. Only two words he said in one time. He does not say full sentences. So same goes with our learning journey also. If you want to improve your communication skills, so don't jump to the long sentences. Start with short sentences. Means you have to make small sentences, just like baby sentences. How baby makes small sentences, right? So I will tell you, as you know that if a child want to ask something from his mother, so they will first ask that mother food. But after some time what they will say, mother, I am feeling very hungry, can you give me some food so that I can fulfill my belly. So this is the way that he can ask to his mother. But at initial stage he will not say full sentence, right? So if you also want to start your English learning journey, so start with small sentence. I always recommend that start with small things. Small effort also make big difference, right? If you are every day, if you are putting small effort, it will show one day, it will show big difference in your life. So you have to make sure that every day you should put some difference, you have to put some effort, right? So if you are going to start this English learning journey, so how you can do that, what you are supposed to do and what you are not supposed to do. I will tell you each and everything. Please hear me till the last, then you will get the idea exactly what you have to do. Right. So first thing I will tell you that if you are going to start your English learning journey, so first listen. Okay, you have to not listen whole day, you at least you have to listen 30 minutes so that you can get some idea, right? Because if you are, this language is very new for us, right? So we cannot understand each and everything, every slang and intonations, there are so many things are there. So for that you need to understand if the language, that how people are speaking, right? So first listen more, try to listen, means whatever time you have, try to listen it. But if you will ask me that only by listening I can improve my English, then no. You by listening your knowledge will improve toward this language, but you are not going to improve, you have to take action also. First thing is that you have to do listening, and the second thing is that you now, after understanding, now you listen something, now you have to articulate your thoughts on own way. Means whatever you have heard in the video, you have to tell in own sentences. Means you have to not copy whatever they had said, you have to not copy exactly what they have said. You have to just articulate your own thought, what you understand from that video. Because we come across from we you might have come across with so many videos from morning to evening. But have you ever tried this, that after watching that video you tell yourself that what you have learned from that video? Even I am making this video, you can ask yourself that what did you understand by this video, what I tell, what example I put. So you have to do exactly what I am telling you. If you will do same like me, then you will improve within 30 days or 2 month 3 month. You will see lots of changes, right? So what first thing you have to do, listening. After that you have to go through the speaking part, right? You have to not directly jump to the speaking. First understand this language and then start to speak, right? After doing this, you will do lots of mistake, right? Because after, when you will speak, you will fumble a lot, that you are not able to articulate your thoughts, so you will fumble a lot. So what you have to do, take the help of chat gpt, take the help of someone who has great knowledge about this language. So you can take the help of these all things, right? So that it will improve your language, right? In initial day you will fumble, you will not able to articulate your thought, but what you have to do, try every day. Try every day. Even you are fumbling, but try that you can speak even 5 minutes, even 10 minutes you are able to speak on any topic or whatever video you have watched, you have to talk on that, right? So after doing this speaking part, what third thing you have to do, you have to correct your mistake. So now you get that you have to listen, you have to speak. Now third thing is that you have to correct your mistake. Means whatever you have done mistake, try to identify that where you are lacking. Sometimes we are lacking on our grammar part, sometimes we are lacking on our uh, sometimes we are lacking on grammar part, sometimes we are lacking on articulation. So you have to know that where you are lacking exactly. According to that you can make plan that okay, I need this is my area where I have to do some improvement, right? So you will get a clear understanding that okay, I am doing here mistake and I have to focus more on that. Suppose if a boy is started his learning, okay, and he is able to speak, but he is doing lots of grammar mistake. So he has to prioritize that he, from next time when he will speak, then he will not repeat that mistake again, right? If he will not repeat the mistake again, so he will improve simultaneously, right? So it is the great way that if you want to improve it, so you have to correct mistake on later part, but don't correct yourself on initial days. Keep it for the later part. First try to speak whatever knowledge you have, try to speak, then you will get the clear idea that how this language exactly work, right? So I thought that this will help you lot, because if you are going to start your English journey from initial day, means you are starting going to start this from scratch. So it will help you a lot, and even 10 minutes of practice will help you a lot. So what you have to do exactly, try this all method. Start from listening, then speak, and then correct your mistake. Okay. And the fourth thing is that use it or lose it. Why I said this, use it or lose it? I heard it from somewhere. That's why I'm telling you this technique. That if you will not use that this all thing, then you will lose that. Means you will not remember those things. Suppose I am telling you that if there is raining outside, so what you will say, it is drizzling or it is raining like a cats and dog. But if you will not use in your daily life, then you will forget it, right? So you have to do same, that whatever you are learning, just use it in your life, then you will not lose it, means you will not forget it, right? So this is the best way if you want to learn anything. Means if you want to improve your communication skills, so you have to focus that whatever you are learning, so try to use them in your daily life. That will help you a lot, because every day you are learning so many things, and if you will use them in your life, then you will see lots of changes. You will correct yourself at every moment, that no, I am doing somewhere wrong, let me correct here. Okay. So this is the way that I want to share with you all how I did it. So you can also do in this same way, and I hope it will help you a lot if you do it in the same way. and tell me in the comment box that whatever problem you have, whatever problem you are facing, write down in the comment box. I myself go through all the comment and read that whatever your problem is there, I just come with that problem, right? So you have to do in the same way and tell me each and everything whatever you feel, and if you have any suggestion for me, you can write it down. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my content, please subscribe it and share with your friends, and I will catch you in the next video. Till then, take care, keep smiling and keep learning. Bye bye.